Good morning, dear children. In our today's English class, we started with topic number 2 of English grammar book, concrete and abstract noun. Concrete and abstract nouns are part of nouns. You all know that noun has 6 kinds: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, and material noun. So we understood about collective nouns in our previous class only, in previous topic. Yes, and about common and proper noun you have read on in your previous classes, in class 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Okay, so in this class we are going to do concrete and abstract noun. So first let us understand about concrete noun. So what are concrete noun? Concrete noun are the nouns that we can see, hear, taste, smell or touch. We all have 5 senses. Yes, what are those 5 senses? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So things that we can observe with our eyes, hear with our ears, taste with our tongue, smell with our nose and touch with our skin, all those nouns are concrete nouns. All those nouns are concrete nouns. Like a cup. This is a cup. I can touch this cup. I can see this cup. Okay, so what is this? This is a concrete noun. What is this? This is a bottle of perfume. So I can smell the perfume in this bottle. So this is also a concrete noun. I also can touch this bottle. Okay, so this is again a concrete noun. This is a pouch. This is a pencil pouch or a stationery pouch. I can see, I can touch this pouch. So this is also a concrete noun. So things like coffee, cat, foot, cotton, bell, grape, lemon, stairs, mother, child, fruit, goal, all these are concrete noun. But things that we cannot see, hear, taste, smell or touch with our 5 sense organs, those are abstract noun. Those are abstract noun. Like for example, read the sentence here. I was in great pain when I fell off the stairs. I was in great pain. So what is pain here? When you fell down, when you fall down from the stairs, what do you feel? You feel pain. Okay, you can just feel that pain. You cannot see that pain. Okay, you cannot touch that pain. लेकिन आप उस pain को feel कर सकते हैं. So pain is an abstract noun. Come to the second one. I know someone who runs away in fear when crackers are burst. So when crackers are burst, some of you may get afraid. Okay, so fear that you feel at that time cannot be seen by others. है ना, वो fear कोई और देख नहीं सकता, कोई और उसको सुन नहीं सकता, कोई और उसको टच नहीं कर सकता, स्मेल नहीं कर सकता. ओके, दैट यू कैन जस्ट फील योरसेल्फ. आप उस फियर को अपने आप खुद महसूस कर सकते हैं. सो पेन एंड फियर आर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. ओके, सो व्हाट आर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स? दैट द नाउन्स दैट वी कैन नॉट सी, हियर, टच, टेस्ट और स्मेल, all those are abstract noun. It can be, abstract noun can be a feeling. Okay, like feeling of love. I asked you to bring things that you love in the class. So many of you brought so many things in the class, like your favorite toy, like your favorite plant. Okay, so love for those things, your love for those things cannot be seen. है ना, उसको देखा नहीं जा सकता, उसको टच नहीं किया जा सकता, उस लव को सिर्फ फील किया जा सकता है. Whenever you are angry, your anger कैन नॉट बी सीन. ठीक है, उस एंगर को देखा नहीं जा सकता. कई बार आप मन ही मन गुस्सा होते हो लेकिन आपके मुंह पर स्माइल होती है. ठीक है ना, सो दैट एंगर इज अ फीलिंग, दैट इज एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. लाइक दैट इरिटेशन, कॉन्फिडेंस, पेन, नर्वसनेस, ऑल दीज आर फीलिंग्स दैट आर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. ओके, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन की पिक्चर हम अपने दिमाग में नहीं बना सकते. ओके, बाकी कॉन्क्रीट नाउन की पिक्चर हम दिमाग में बना सकते हैं. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर फाइल. फाइल की जो पिक्चर है, वी कैन इमेजिन इट इन आवर माइंड्स एज फाइल कैसी होती है. बट इफ आई आस्क यू टू इमेजिन फेथ, विश्वास को इमेजिन करने को मैं बोलूँ, यू कैन नॉट इमेजिन. Yes, so abstract nouns can be feeling, quality, idea, concept, state, or action or event. Action or event like a marriage. Marriage is an event. Okay, marriage में क्या होता है? People go in marriage and they enjoy, they eat food, everything they do. But marriage is an event that cannot be seen in itself. Okay, we can see people, we can see decoration, we can see things that we can eat there, we can see our friends, our relatives. हम सब कुछ देख सकते हैं, उनको उनसे बात कर सकते हैं, ओके, उनको टच कर सकते हैं, उनको सुन सकते हैं, बट वी कैन नॉट एक्चुअली सी दी मैरिज. ठीक है, सो मैरिज इज एन इवेंट, सेलिब्रेशन इज एन इवेंट, कॉम्पिटिशन इज एन इवेंट, ओके, जजमेंट, थेफ्ट इज एन इवेंट. ऑल दीज आर इवेंट. स्टेट, पॉवर्टी क्या होता है? पॉवर्टी मीन्स गरीबी. ओके, गरीबी को देखा नहीं जा सकता. इट कैन जस्ट बी फेल्ट. Freedom is also an idea. It's an state of being which can be felt only. Cannot be seen. Childhood, बचपन जो है वो सिर्फ देखा नहीं जा सकता, वो सिर्फ महसूस किया जा सकता है. Okay, so dear children, I hope concept of concrete and abstract noun is bit clear to you all. So on the basis of this explanation, you have to do this question number 1 in your homework. This question number 1 is your homework. What you have to do in this, you have to read the following sentences and you then have to circle the abstract noun and underline the concrete noun. Try to do it. Okay, if you are not able to do or if you have any confusion, kindly tell me. Okay.